One reason you might not have that wad of cash that you're waiting for is because you're stuck in your old story of, I have to be or I need to have before I can have what I want. Absolutely wrong. It's not about I need to have, it's about being to have. Loads of people run this very common belief, and it's so wrong, that they can't do the things they want to do because first they need the cash. And once they have the cash, they'll be able to buy that crazy car, invest in some new system for their business, and then they'll be happy. The truth the truth in how to get what you want is first to know why you want what you want. And once you know why you want, then you start feeling it right away, right from the get-go. You want to feel as if you had it already in your imagination. Like that, you're aligning yourself vibrationally. The language of the universe is energy, and that's vibrations. So you want to know how to get yourself into feeling that energy. And once you've aligned yourself in that energy, then what you want will come to you. So it's really helpful to first get rid of all the interfering vibrations that are in your way. And those interfering vibrations are your doubts, your angers, and you're probably not even aware of them. You've been running that pattern for so long. So I'm going to invite you to download my absolutely free EFT workshop. That's going to help you delete those unwanted vibrations. Once you get your head around it, it's really easy. So just download it from the link tree in my bio and do the workshop. Once you've done the workshop and whatever questions you have, pop them in the comment because I answer all questions. My free EFT workshop is so helpful. And I love seeing people hit the jackpot. And this is going to help you do it. God bless.